Hello and welcome to my channel. Are you riding around on your international 4300 truck and you have a missing headlight? Not good. I'm going to show you how to change that headlight bulb and make your vehicle DOT safe again. If you're not a subscriber, just hit that button, become a subscriber right away. So let's begin. First thing we're going to do is open the hood. You have two caps. This cap here is going to be for your single light and your corner light, what I call. And this here, this cap is for your headlight. You have a clip right here, and what you're going to do is just pull up on it just enough. Try not to break it. Now I will say, if it's cold, it's going to be a little bit aggravating. Here's your headlight here. You have a lock ring here. We just want to move that over to the side. This is a good place to put it. Here's your headlight bulb right here. Now, this bulb is a 9007 bulb. Pretty popular bulb. Here's the price range. Install our new bulb. Lock it back down in place. Put the harness right back in place. Now, I do want to say, these harnesses, they are notorious for burning out, and they will actually burn out between the end of the harness and the end of the headlight itself. Inside the headlight, they would just actually burn out over a period of time. And if that's the case, you can go to your local hardware store and you can actually get a 3-wire headlight socket to actually replace this harness here. And it's pretty self-explanatory. You just follow the wires and use bulb connectors if you choose to do so, and just put it back in place, and that will extend the life of your new headlight if you happen to change it and your old headlight harness is burnt out. We're going to put our cap back on, and if sometime the area down here gets to be so bad that you actually need to replace the headlight unit itself, and I have a video on that. If you have not seen it, make sure you see that as well. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification bell, let you know when I have a video to come out. And God bless.